What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another fish camp video. As you guys can see, it's raining. So I'm not gonna risk my cameras. Well, that's just great. I was recording and then all of a sudden said SD card not compatible. Gosh dang it, GoPro. Oh well. Dang GoPro doesn't want to work. Let's see if it'll work. So it's powering off. Powering off. That totally sucks. Alright, well, I'm gonna just let the camera roll and it'll record what it wants to record. But what I'm finding out is that the reason why the camera's not recording is not because it's not compatible. Well, it is because it's not compatible with the GoPro, but it's because it's not a class 10 class 10 memory card, which is unfortunate because I've used this with the GoPro 8 and the GoPro 4 and I had no issues. But now that I'm using this one with the GoPro 10, it seems to not want to work. So I don't know what's going on there. This is got one. Ooh, that's a good fish. Or it was a good fish, I thought. Oh, what the heck? I snagged it. How's that even possible? Huh. Anyways, what I was saying. So, as I was saying, when I forgot what I was saying, but I'm using a I don't know what class rating it is, but it's a Samsung memory card, so I don't know why it's not compatible, which is kind of weird because it was compatible with the other two. So yeah, it's 128 megabytes. You know the little U number? I don't know what that U number is, but it's the number that's in the U is number 3. So I thought it was a decent memory card. But apparently it's not class 10 because it says that the speed is not correct or something, so it's not really wanting to record. But it'll record what it can, and I'll just keep resetting the GoPro until I get back to the car. So yeah, we'll go with that. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Welcome back to another video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had every intention to do a good video and bring the cameras to do it, but it's raining, so I'm not gonna make my cameras go through that. I did that last time and my camera went cuckoo on me, so I don't want to do that again. I thought I had a good fish because I had foul hooked that fish in the side. I didn't even know how that was possible. It must have came after it and it missed, because that's the only way that it would have done that. I don't like this rod. It's a new rod. I bought it for $3. It's a Abu Garcia Vigilant, and it was on sale, or it was on the clearance aisle. Oh, I had another fish. It was on clearance at Walmart, so I picked it up for $3. Yep. And I think it retails for, I don't know how much. That's all I'm gonna say. It retails for, I have no idea how much. So yeah, I have dang, these fishes are not liking me. I'm using a different rod today. Yesterday I was using a collapsible rod. Today I'm running a actual panfish rod, and I'm not liking it because it's not casting very far. And I'm just chilling under the bridge, so I probably could have used my camera because I'm just under the bridge, and it ain't too rainy down here. Oh no. Okay, there's no way this pool don't hold fish. So I added another weight, split shot, because it's super faster here, so the only way to really get it to work, I'm guessing. I think I got a fish. Yes, I do. Oh, it came off. Oh man, I don't know if you guys saw that. All right, that was a pretty good sized fish. Got one. Another one. Oh, it's a tiny one. And it came off. Looks like I'm gonna be on the losing streak here. Try it again. Nothing on that one. Oh wait. Yep, nothing on that one. Well, they took half my worm. Alright, I saw a flash. There he goes. I knew I saw the flash. This feels like a decent fish. Oh, it is a decent fish. Alright. Sweet. It's a solid fish. So again, these are not your common stock trouts. These are your native rainbow trouts. It's a beautiful fish. Check them out. So with that, it's gonna be a spit roast fish. Couple of moss. So I've switched to salmon eggs. This stuff better work because this thing cost me 10 bucks. And things are expensive now. I remember back when I was complaining about it being 5 bucks. Ah, I had a fish. Been a while since I got a bite. There's another fish. This time I'm in the trees. I'll just stick to worms. We're trying to eat fish, so. Got him. Yeah. Finally another one. Finally another decent fish. That's a good sized brown. Took freaking forever. Yeah. Look at his tail. Look at his tail. That's crazy. Man. Alright guys. Spit roast 101. Get yourself a nice stick. Get the bark off. Okay. Now with the better memory card, I don't know how much of that I recorded, so how to spit your fish. Put on a spit roast, I mean. You get the bark off. And there you have it. One more spit ready. This one I'm anxious to try. It's a double spit roast. piece off. Cut that piece off. Clean this up a little bit. Same thing with this side. And then scrape off the bark. And you bring your fish in the mouth. It'll go in there. Not out the anal cavity. You know, stick it. Try to stick it through your spine and out the back. Kind of like that. You see that? You got fish number 2 and you do the same thing. I've never done a double spit, so this is going to be a learning process or learning curve for me. Come on, buddy. Okay, this one doesn't want to go the way I want it, so I guess it's going to have to stay like that. Spit roast. Now for the last one, fish number 5. Same thing, through there, into the abdomen. Out the back. The reason why you want it out the back is because if you do that, the fish don't turn when you turn. So it doesn't just spin on your spit. So when you put your fish there, it'll stay where you want it. And here goes fish number 5. Here's the first one. It's the little one. Look at that. Oh yeah. Salty and delicious. Let's eat it. Anime style, guys. That's so good, guys. Anime style is so good. Yep. We'll just eat it anime style. So good. That's the stuff. I got a couple more on the grill. I don't need it for anime anymore. You guys get the point. Yep. Head and all. You know it, guys. That's the way it's done. Get out there. Yep. It's so good. Can you see that? Oh, let's see. Let me see that. I'm looking at the screen because that meat looks so good. But look at that. Oh yeah, you know it. Got one more coming. Alright guys. Nope. There's no it. There's my trout. Yep. There's my trout, guys. Y'all ready for this? Anime style again, right? Let's go. It's hot. That's the stuff. That's so good. You guys want a close up? Look at this. Oh yeah. That's so good. That's bomb. That's hella bomb. You guys need to get out here and do it. Oh. I hate this camera. It zooms in so close. Again, you guys get the point. Woo! I just lost some eggs. Damn it. Yep. Bam! Y'all see that? You see that? That's fish eggs. Alright guys, so with that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, I know it's a little rough and go for a little bit there, but made some successful catch, cooked it up, and we eating. For these bigger guys, the bottom jaw is the for these bigger guys, this bottom jaw, I can never eat them. You see that? I can never do it because it's just too big. Peace out. Thanks for tagging along. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can count on it that I'm gonna be out here more doing these catch and eats. I love eating trout. And it's part of my diet. I'm on a keto diet. Not by choice, guys. It's not by choice. Yeah, it's a medical diet. But yeah, thanks for tagging along. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure you guys hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Until the next video, guys. Peace out. I'm gonna sit here, enjoy my fish, and plan out my next trip.